Hello, I'm introducing 103E Endmill with corner radius sharpener. In this sample, we use 1R for demonstration. Before we go into corner radius sharpen pole, we need to finish Endmill resharpen. However, for Endmill with corner radius, we need to use rough cutting sharpen result. But how to turn to rough cutting sharpen result? You need to use your setting pole and then refer to your user's menu, page number 2, and then you will find rough cutting. We suggest number 3 to 5. So here you can slide the slider to your Endmill diameter length. You turn to 3 to 5. Then we setting. After setting, you need to go cutting angle, second relief angle, the spray point port. Here we have the 4-flute Endmill. Now we already finished the sharpening. Okay, this is rough cutting result. So, which means we can go corner radius sharpen pole. Open the case, and then you can adjust the angle from 0 to 45. For corner radius, we suggest from 3 degree to 15 degree. Now we use 15 degree. Okay, side number 1, we put insert to find the good sharpen position, so you can turn the knob to adjust. Here I think this is good position for sharpening. Okay, now we finish sharpening and we check the corner radius. That's it.